Yo, what's up guys, Simon here. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can trade crypto tokens on Bullx. So Bullx is a trading bot, actually currently the fastest, cheapest and best trading bot on the market, and I'm going to show you today just like a quick little overview on how to use it and what are the best settings for it. If you need more detailed version of it, let me know in the comments. I can do a way more detailed video on it as well. Just a quick video so everybody can understand today. So yeah, actually Bullx is still in the early access phase because it's really new. So the only way to actually access it is by using the link in the description, which would also give you 10% off of every transaction you're ever gonna do. So really cool. And if you press this link in the description, you will actually get to this screen here, to a Telegram bot where you're just gonna do /start, send it, and then you will get your login. So you're just gonna press login, open, and then Bullx will already be opened. Boom. So you have open here, and then you're already finished and you can start to trade. It's really fast. So I'm just gonna give you a quick overview over all the tabs, all the settings. Yeah, let's start. So at the top here, you have all your chains that you can trade. This is actually really sick because this is a multi-wallet trading bot and also a multi-blockchain trading bot. So you can just trade all these chains here. You can trade Ethereum, you can trade Binance, Base, Arbitrum, Blast, and Solana, everything on the single bot, which is actually really sick. I'm most of the times just trading Solana, so I'm gonna put away these and just press start trading. Boom. So now I'm only seeing Solana blockchain tokens, and I'm already finished and I can start to trade. Let's go. So first here we have the new pairs tab, which are pretty much just newly created tokens. Yeah, it's really nice. You can actually pick up tokens quite early, you know, get some good investments and get some nice access in. Really nice. And then moving on, you have the pump vision. The pump vision is actually a really cool feature that is really unique on Bullx. Because before you would have needed multiple Telegram bots, multiple websites for it, and subscriptions that you would actually need to pay for. And here you have everything in one place for completely free. It's cool. So on the left side you have new creations, so tokens that are newly created on pump.fun, and you can actually also quick buy in. So here, this button here, if you just press it once, you're just gonna instantly buy $10 worth of this token. And you can actually also do a reverse image search. So if you say, oh, that looks cool, but I don't know the meme, for example here, Sydney Sweeney, you can just press it and it will look it up for you on the Damn, she's hot. I know her. Okay. Yeah, she's nice. All right, boom. So then in the middle, the about to graduate tab. These are the tokens that are about to graduate from pump.fun and are going to move on to Radium, meaning this is like the last chance of actually trading it on pump.fun before it's seeding. I really like this because on here in this middle little secret, you oftentimes find good winners because these are the tokens that are already moving, that already got enough volume, and they're really close to going onto Radium and actually then pump. So with this tab here, you can make a lot of money. So, and then on the right side, you have already graduated tokens, so tokens that are already trading on Radium. And you see some of them, they die out, like for example this 15k market cap. This is kind of dead, it's at 34k market cap. But then you have sometimes like crazy things, 345k market cap. And imagine you invested, you've seen this in the middle at a 30k market cap, you would have had a nice 10x. Really like this tab, really great. So then moving on, we have the Explore tab. This is pretty much just the normal Explore tab. You also see like on Deck Screener, for example, just trending pairs, gainers and losers of the day, and also the recents. Yeah, just a normal tab. It's good to get like an overview of the current meta, or just, you know, hop on a trending token as well. On the right side, you will just see the gains and losses on the major coins and blockchains. Just nice having everything in a single place actually. Moving on, we have automations. Automations is actually something that I will talk later on more. If you don't understand it by then, you also have a video here to help it. So then moving on, you have your portfolio. I really like this actually. It's really well organized. So on the bottom here, you're going to have your trade history, trades you've taken, tokens you've bought and sold. Then also here your most profitable holdings, here your active positions, and here you're gonna have a little chain breakdown of which chain you hold how much on. And yeah, you can actually also choose single wallets if you want to see the portfolio on a single wallet, which is actually really sick, which will then come now to the wallet manager. Like I said, you can trade these all these blockchains on this single trading bot, and you can also create unlimited wallets for them, which is actually really sick, because this wasn't possible with any other trading bot before. And now you can just boop, press add wallet, boom, you have a new wallet. That's crazy. You can delete them, you can get new wallets, and this is actually also where you add your funds to your wallet. If you now want to trade on, for example, the Solana blockchain, if you want to trade meme tokens, you're just going to press add funds. Then go ahead, buy some Solana on Coinbase or Binance, and then just copy that address and send it to that address, or actually just scan the QR code and send it to it. And then boom, you're already set and you can start trading. Actually really cool. Yeah, then moving on to the settings. Really easy. You're just gonna have your buy preset buttons, your quick buy presets, and the security audit, which I would advise to turn on if you're new to trading. It just pretty much gives you a quick security audit on the token. So the pre-buy buttons are just pretty much the buttons that you will actually can buy into the token. So you can also just put in the amount, but that's just faster way, just pre-buying one Solana, boop, bought. So I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. So go to explore. I'm just gonna choose some fucking token. Let's take this that I've said before. Boom. This is actually then how it looks if you want to trade a token. Looks a bit overwhelming, I know, but you will get the hang of it just after a few hours. So here in the middle, you're gonna see the chart. You already know that. It's just a normal trading view chart. You can also, you know, put fib on it. You can do everything. You can measure ruler. It's a normal chart. On top of here, you're gonna see the market cap, the volume, the liquidity, the token itself, if it has a website, if it has a Twitter, the pump fund link, and down here you can see the trades taken. Then if you go on, you can also see the holders. Wow, looks sick, right? You can see if it's a top holder. Then you can also see if it's a dev wallet or an insider, a smart wallet. And you will also here see if the dev is selling, if a top holder is selling, if a smart wallet is selling. And also, yeah, here you can see the volume in the past 5 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hours, and 24 hours, like it is on Dex Screener, but really just updated in real time. So the indexing on this trading bot is insane. It's uncomparable with Dex Screener or Photon or TradingView itself. So it's great. And actually, if you want to now buy and sell the token, you can actually do it right here. Here you can do buy and sell. If you want to buy the token, you can just, let's say you want to buy in with 0.5 Solana, you're just going to do 0.5 and then press buy. And then you already hold the token. As easy as it is. If you want to sell it, right? Yeah, you can also do limit orders, meaning, for example, you want to go to sleep, but you want to invest in the token. You can say, okay, if it reaches a market cap of $100,000, you want to buy in with 1 Solana, and then you're just gonna do buy. And then if it reaches $100,000 market cap, which is actually down here, it will actually instantly automatically buy in for you, even though you're sleeping, which is cool. The same thing with selling as well. You can just sell certain amounts, 50%, 75%, 100%, but you can also do limit sells, meaning, for example, we could do, okay, if we are up 100%, we're gonna sell 50%, so we're taking our initials out. If you double your money, you're selling everything automatically. It's just sick, you know. You can just go to sleep and have limit orders open and just be calm, have a good night's sleep, right? Yeah, that's pretty much it with buying and selling. I'm now going to show you the best settings as well. So for the buy priority fee, you're going to do 0.0075. This pretty much gives you an advantage over the other traders, getting your position in faster, so you can also have a better entry and then make more money. I always do a slippage of 20%. Some people do 10% slippage, some people do 5, some people do 15, 25, 30, 40, some even 50. Just play it around as you wish. You should be completely fine with 20%. It's not gonna make as big of a difference anyway. For the MEF protection, you're gonna put this on. Please put it on. Yes, your trades will go through faster sometimes, but the chance of you getting MEF is insanely high, and you can lose so much money with it and get fucked so hard with it. So please just turn it on. I always have it on, and because we have this priority fee, you will get your buy-in fast anyway. Yeah, I think that was it with Bullx. Just a quick little video. If you have any questions, just, you know, join the Telegram, DM me, or write it in the comments, and I'm gonna do a new video on that, a more detailed video. I was kind of rushed now, I know. But yeah, this is Bullx. Like I said, if you want to get instant access to it and also get 10% off all of the transaction fees, use the link in the description, and then you will also actually get a 5x on your airdrop. Because Bullx is new, they have an airdrop system where actually if you trade more volume, you will also get more airdropped of the token. And I think they do like 20 to 30% of the revenue that they will do with Bullx. They will actually buy their own token and also burn them. So you will get a lot of money from just the airdrop alone. So just trade, get some volume in and get paid even more. Yeah, I mean, that was pretty much it with the video. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel for calls, free resources. I will see you in the next video. Bye.